Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Technics earbuds with your Android phone. So all I have to do is just open this charging case, and now as you can see they are in the pairing mode automatically because they are blinking on the red and the blue. So we have to just go to those Bluetooth settings on our device, click to pair new device, and select your Technics earbuds from the list. Accept the pairing. And right now you have to go to the Google Play Store and you have to download this application, the Technics Audio Connect. So we have to get this one. Right now we can open it and accept all of these permissions that will pop on our screen. So we have to just keep tapping, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.